Hello everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful day. So I'm here to share with you guys my projects that I have created for this week for Growing in Unity by Unity Stamps. So each day this week, Monday through Friday, I will showcase you something new that I have created using their stamps. And the good thing about it is that you all will have a chance to win 25 random, like a random pack of stamps by Unity. So, you guys recently saw the haul that I did, and you will see some other stuff that I have from them that I've used in the past. So I'm super excited about it. Now how you will enter is I will have the link to my blog in the description bar below. All you have to do is comment on the post once per day. Every time that I post. So when this video go live, the post will automatically be live as well. Just click the link in the description bar, go to the blog, leave your comment there. Please leave a nice comment. I will only be adding the ones in from the blog. So I believe that's how it's going to, yeah, the ones from the blog. So just go ahead on and leave a comment. Once I announce the winner, you have 2 weeks to email me back your name, of course, and your mailing address to give to Unity so they can ship you your goods. And I think that's about it. Everything else will be in the description bar, will be the link to the blog, and it'll have all the products and everything linked back to Unity as well. Let's see. That's about it. So like I said, just leave a comment and I will just we'll put them all together off the blog and then select the winner. Seems like I'm forgetting something else. But that's it. The blog will have my email address, everything. So you shouldn't have any questions. But I will leave the video open just in case you have any questions for me. Alrighty. Okay. So day one, I am using this oldie stamp right here. So if you guys remember, I got this one a long time ago. I purchased this one, and this one. Okay, so I'm using Sade or Sadie. I think it's Sade. And also this, out of the new stamp that I got from them, there was a freebie. I'm using a sentiment, let's get together soon, off of this stamp set. Okay. So I'm using Basic Gray Serenade collection, as well as this Fun Stampers Journey pocket card die. I think this one may be discontinued or retired, I may say. Not for sure. But here we go. And I used, of course, my alcohol markers to color her up. So this is the pocket card. And what I did was, it doesn't come with layers. So I ran it back through with the parts of the paper that I wanted to cover those up. Okay, and then this part you can stick, like I said, my message in. And then this part, I can put like a gift card or something in as well. All right. So this is my pocket card using my alcohol markers and dewdrops. And you see that sentiment right there. Let's get together soon. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, just leave them below. And I will be back with day 2. Bye.